Hello, good morning. Nasa work ako. Madali lang ang sasabihin ko sa'yo. Happy birthday. More birthdays to come, more candles to blow, and more happiness in life. Okay? Bye-bye. Ingat.
Hi, lalabs ko. Today is your best day. And binabati kita ng happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happiest birthday, lalabs ko. At maraming salamat sa pagmamahal at suporta mo sa aming lahat. Thank you so much. Thank you for everything. And basta cool ka lang. Dito lang si girly pag hindi free, pag hindi busy. Dito lang si girly pag free. Basta enjoy your birthday. Enjoy your best day. At lagi mong tandaan na nandyan si God nagmamahal sa ating lahat. At mag-ingat ka lagi kung saan ka man dalhin ng iyong mga paa. At hanggang dito na lang. Wala na akong masabi. Wala na akong masabi. Thank you so much, lalabs ko. And God bless. And see you when I see you. Bye-bye. Love you. Mwah.
So, ayan. Hello guys! Kumusta mo? Mga YouTubers, mga organic friends natin dyan. Kumusta? So, today, mayroon naman pa tayong babatiin. Isa sa pinaka-supportive at pinakamaganda nating YouTube friends, family. Walang iba kundi si My Budget Kusina. Happy birthday, Insan Mai. I wish you all the best, more success, and good health. Stay healthy, stay beautiful, and most of all, stay humble. No matter what, kahit hindi man ako supportive, pero naka-BG lang si BG ng YouTube. Okay, happy birthday uli, Insan. Sana marami ka pang mapapasayang tao at more friends and more success pa. God bless you. We love you. And thank you sa lahat ng efforts at support mo sa Team Forever Young. So, shout out sa lahat ng Team Forever Young. And once again, happiest birthday, Insan. Happy 46th birthday. Thank you.
Shout out Forever Young. Pinapati natin na ating kaibigan dyan na si My Budget Kusina. Happy birthday. More birthday to come. At sana more blessings. Enjoy sa YT.
Ayan, magandang araw. Ayan, may babatiin lang ako na isang kasamahan natin sa YouTube. Hindi lang kasamahan, special pa siya sa akin. Napakalapit niya sa akin dahil siya ay ang aking pinsan. Ayan, si My Budget Kusina. Ayan, Insan Mai, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. You deserve all the cakes, all the love, hugs, and happiness. Ayan. Enjoy lang at wag ma-stress. Ayan, ingatan ang beauty natin. Ayan. Ayan, sana maayos ka at ang iyong family. Ayan. Nandito lang tayo. Nandito lang ako. Ayan, lagi lang ako nakasupport sa iyo. At thank you din sa support mo palagi sa akin. Ayan. At God bless. Ayan. Bye-bye. Happy birthday. Happy birthday ulit.
Ayun, what's up sis Mai? Happy birthday. Maraming salamat sa palagi mong pagsuporta sa buong team ng Forever Young. At sana mapalaki mo palalo yung YouTube channel mo. At sa more cover song pa para marami ka pang mapasaya. Happy birthday ulit sis Mai. Rock and roll.
Happy birthday, Mamay. More birthdays to come and God bless. Sis my happy birthday. I wish you have a good health and God bless you all. Happy birthday again.
Yan, mabilisan lang to, mamay. Happy birthday and more birthdays to come. Maraming salamat sa inyong suporta. Maraming salamat din. And many birthdays to come. God bless you much sa inyong kalusugan. And God bless. And bye-bye. Happy birthday, mamay.
Hello, Sis Mai. Happy birthday. Sana marami pang birthday na darating sa'yo. Be happy and enjoy life. Enjoy YT. And thank you sa support lagi. Thank you so much. So, yun lang. Happy birthday. Ingat ka, Sis Mai.
Mega love shoutout sa lahat ng nasa baba. Ayan, mega love shoutout to everyone here. Today we are gathered here to celebrate or remember the special day of our very own Lalabs My Budget Kusina. So, happy birthday. Happiest birthday, Lalabs My Budget Kusina. May you have more birthdays to come, more friends to come, and of course, good health to your family, more happiness in life, and of course, more power to your channel. So, just remember this, no matter what life puts you through, keep going. Mistakes do happen, but life goes on. Thank you, and once again, happy birthday, Lalabs Mine.
Have a blessed day, everyone. Thank you so much for everything, God. And today, I want to make a short video greetings to our friends in the YouTube world, no other than me, Ma'am Mai Kusina. Thank you so much for everything, sis. And never forget you and your husband as being part in the YouTube world. And wish all the best and good health. And I'm very appreciate all your effort, all your support, and our friendship and the YouTube world. Wish and foremost, always take care of yourself and think always yourself. Because in the last, we're not seen together and we're only seeing each other in social media. So as what I said before, earlier, that we know each other in the social media, but the way we treat each other is like a sister, but not in the same blood. And hope each and every one of us will not change their attitude towards their friends. And we cannot force them if some of them are busy, some of them are something problem and their daily lives. So now I'm very thankful and thanks to God that we still have life in this year, 2024. And today is your birthday, and we wish you enjoy everything you wish will come true. Again, Sis Mai Kusina, happy birthday, and wish you more birthday to celebrate for more years.
Hello! Ayan, nabatiin ko po na happy birthday si Lalabs Mai. Pasensya na guys, hindi na ako nakakapag-video. Busy na sa work. No hot time for life. Ayan. Sana maging masaya ang birthday mo, Lalabs Mai. At shout out sa lahat ng mga YouTubers. Thank you. Bye-bye. God bless you guys. Bye.
What's up guys? Mega love shoutout sa inyo lahat. Yan, Carol Vlog. Yan, nandito ako ngayon para magbigay ng greetings para sa ating birthday celebrant. Walang iba, ang puyatera ng Pinas. Yan, joke lang nanay. Sorry. Yun, kasi paras lang tayo ng oras, di ba no? Kaya ang tulog natin ay madaling araw palagi. Yun, mga wakwak. Yan, thank you so much mamay sa laging support sa aking LS. Kahit mga madaling araw na tayo natutulog din sa ngayon. Pinipilit mo pa rin makapasok kahit madaling araw na. Thank you for that. At happy birthday! Wishing you all the best and good health and syempre happiness. Ganun lang kahit maraming problema, di ba na? piliin pa rin natin maging happy. So, yun lang, Mamay. Thank you so much. Yan. Happy.
Hello everyone. So, andito po ako ngayon dahil may isa po tayong kaibigan na babatiin. So, thank you so much sa opportunity na to. Para sa iyo, Mamay, happy birthday. Stay strong, healthy, and maganda. Thank you so much sa love and support sa aking YT channel, Mamay. Andyan ka lagi. And sana po wag kang magbago. Maraming salamat po. So once again, happy birthday. Mabuhay po kayo hanggang gusto nyo. Yun. Thank you. I love you. Bye-bye.
Alright. Magandang araw o gabi sa ating lahat. Saan man sulok ng mundo. Salamat sa pagkakataon ito at nabigyan dahil isa sa ating kasama sa YT ay magba-birthday. Walang iba kundi si Ma'am May Budget sa kusina. Ayan. Ma'am May, happy birthday. More blessings to come. And God bless. Siyempre, pagkakataon ko ito para magpasalamat sa inyo sa walang sawang suporta sa amin ni Florissa Mix Official Vlog. Muli po, Ma'am May Budget sa kusina, happy birthday. More blessings to come and God bless all. Bye-bye and thank you.
Pabatiin lang natin ng magandang kaarawan si Mamay Budget Kasina. Mamay, happy birthday. Kantahan na. Wish ko sa'yo more blessings to come, more candles to blow, especially good health. Salamat sa walang sawang support sa aking YT channel, Mamay. Thank you very much. Once again, happy birthday, Mamay.
Mega love shout out, Miss Mai. Today is your day. I just want to greet you a happy birthday. More birthdays to come, good health and success in life. Again, Miss Mai, happy birthday. God bless.
Hello po, Ma'am Maymay. Magandang araw o magandang gabi po sa iyo. At ngayon po ay iyong kaarawan. At binabati po kita ng happy birthday. Thank you po sa iyong support sa aking mga kapatid, sa akin, sa lahat. At I wish all the best po sa iyo. God bless you more. Wish ko po na more love, more care, more friend, and successful po sa iyong buhay, YT. Deserve mo kasi masipag ka. Super. Kahit saan sa mga kapatid mo sa YT, nakikita kita na nandyan. Hangang-hanga ako sa mga effort mo sa iyong mga kapatid. At ipagpatuloy mo po yung pagiging simple, mabait, at very supportive na tao. At nakikita yung pagniningning ng iyong kabaitan sa ibang tao, sa support mo sa kanila. And ayun po, enjoy your birthday and happy life po. And more friends and more successful sa YT. Bye-bye po. Thank you very much. Happy birthday.
Yun, magandang hapon po sa lahat. Hapon, umaga, tanghali, gabi. Shoutout po sa inyo. Isang mixing pagbati lang po sa ating kaibigan dito sa YT. Si kay Ma'am May Budget Kusina. Happy birthday po, Ma'am May. More blessing, more subscriber at saka more friends. Yan. Salamat po. Ingat po lagi, Ma'am May. God bless. Bye.
Yan, shout out everyone. May gusto lang po akong batiin ngayon sa
merong nagdiriwang ng kaarawan. Ayan. Happy birthday sa'yo. Happy birthday, Mamay. Yan, God bless always and enjoy every single day. So, and shoutout sa lahat ng mga nanonood ng video ito. God bless everyone!